Circle round, spin around, what do you see? A round, round ball rolls as happy as can be. Clap your hands, tap your toes, let's all say, circle, circle, come and play. Magic of shapes, let's learn and play. Shapes are here to brighten your day. Clap, jump, spin, hooray! Let's learn shapes in a magical way. Here's a square, it's a box, 4 sides, so neat. A square's like a window or a seat. Jump up high, touch the sky, let's all say, square, square, come and play. Magic of shapes, let's learn and play. Shapes are here to brighten your day. Clap, jump, spin, hooray! Let's learn shapes in a magical way. A triangle's here, pointy and tall. 3 little sides, and that's not all. Touch your head, touch your knees, let's all say, triangle, triangle, come and play. Shapes are everywhere, near and far. Shapes are in the clouds, shapes are in the stars. Circle, square, triangle too. Let's find more shapes, me and you. A rectangle's long like a door to swing. It's a shape that's perfect for anything. March in place, wave hello,